So recently I had made one basically document chatbot using Ollama. So Ollama is nothing but if you are not aware about. So if you simply search Ollama, so Ollama is nothing but running up the LLM models on your local machine. That is about it. So using this Ollama models, I had built one basically document chatbot using reg approach. So I just wanted to share in this specific update, and if it might be useful to you, you can always take up a help. So my plan is to make up a video series. So whatever are my learnings, right, that I just wanted to share in, and if it is helpful to you, those takeaways can be helpful uh, to you as well. Just for that sake, I'm making this video. So here, this is a document checkboard wherein you can upload any kind of document. For example, let me simply upload my resume for the second. And once the document is uploaded, then I can directly ask some of the relevant questions. So I'll say what is the document about. So it basically gives me kind of an information. If I say what are my skills, so it says this and all are my skills, then all projects I have worked on. So basically it gives me a kind of a gist what and all things I've already mentioned in my resume. Okay, so now basically this, I mean here basically using the LLM models to interact with your local files or basically any of your custom files, right? Because LLM models will not be aware about any of your custom files. So if you want to interact with the LLM models and generate this kind of answers based on this, there is an approach called as reg. So that reg approach you can use, and you can build this kind of system for yourself as well. So I'll just give a brief about, I mean this is about the end goal, probably what we'll be making at the end of the day. And the technology stack, if I talk about, so in backend I have basically made an APIs using fast API. Other than that, front end we have used Streamlit, and for the building the LLM pipelines and chain, we have directly used LangChain itself. And basically I just want to highlight and basically appreciate the work the LangChain community has done, and probably those guys have done, because the way they have maintained the documents, probably you do not need any of the course out there to even understand what and all concepts are there and all of that. So you can directly, I mean they have made this conceptual guide itself. So basically you can always go over it, and you can also, I mean basically learn about many different topics out there in a very in a very better way, I would say, interactive way, I would say, because they have even provided this kind of very relevant diagrams which gives an high level overview about what the concept is, and it helps you understand in a better way. So really appreciated that. And yeah, probably, so yeah, that is an high level thing. So what and all things we'll be learning, so we'll be learning the reg approach, we'll be learning how to interact with Ollama local models, and at the end of the day, the end result will be building some kind of the specific document Q&A checkboard. Now if you directly don't want to wait for all of the videos to come in, you can directly I have already maintained a documentary, I mean GitHub repository, it is out there, wherein I have given all kind of information. I have provided all the information in the readme.md file. So you can always go there, you can clone the project, and you want to learn about it, you can always learn about it. So yeah, that is pretty much it from my end. So yeah, thanks a lot for listening. Yeah, thank you. So stay tuned, probably there will be series of videos which will be coming in, wherein I'll be discussing a brief about this reg approach. Moreover, what and all I have actually done, that is what I'll be discussing. So there will be no abstraction layer, and we will be going through the documentation, and we will be learning out the things, so that there basically is not any gap. So tomorrow if you have to build your own project, you can directly go to the relevant part of the documentation, and you can see and how to utilize the documentation code and all of that. So yeah, that is it from mine. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.